My name is Dustin Christensen, and this is my introduction about me for AEP 859. First and foremost, I'm married to my wife Samantha, and we've been married for 5 years. We just had a baby girl. Her name is Desiree Lucille, and she was born June 6th. I was raised in Arlington, South Dakota. After I graduated from Arlington, I went to the Black Hills State University, go Yellow Jackets, and I majored in K-12 special education. Throughout my teaching career, I've been an athletic coach. I coached basketball when I was in Wyoming, I taught in Wyoming, and I'm currently a football coach. I love the outdoors. I love the Dallas Cowboys. I love watching them. I'm a Minnesota Twins fan. I love to hunt. I love to camp. And this couple summers ago, my friends and I went to camp in Yellowstone. Here's a picture of Yellowstone. This is near Jackson. And we went whitewater rafting. Professionally, I've been teaching for 5 years. When I first started out, I was a fourth and fifth behavior teacher. I moved from Rapid City with my wife to Wyoming, and I took a position as a 6th through 8th middle school special education teacher. And while there, I taught freshman girls basketball, 6th grade boys basketball, 6th grade girls basketball. And I'm currently the 6th through 12th special education teacher for the Edgemont School District, as well as their head coach. Professionally, in the next 5 years, I'd like to become an assistant high school principal or middle high school principal. Within the next 10 years, I would like to continue to be a middle or high school principal and to coach basketball at the varsity or college level. My goal after 10 years is my goal to obtain a PhD or EDD in administration and become a superintendent or work in higher education as a professor or in higher education administration. Personally, or my short-term goals is to complete a mini marathon, read the entire Bible, share the gospel of my testimony with someone that results in that person giving their life to Christ, work 6 days per week, at least 1 hour per day until I am physically unable, wake up by 5 a.m. every day, live disease-free as a result of working out, eating healthy, and getting quality sleep, and finally go on a mission trip with my wife.